like that intro. Me and my friend Holly, we went to the fair and I dressed up as Maddie. And I just finished a mental breakdown like right before filming this video, which is why I decided to do a voiceover because I didn't feel like being funny. I feel like in order to truly transform into Maddie, you have to have a mental breakdown before. Anyways, without further ado, let's start the video. Roll the intro. The things that you need for this hairstyle are a hair tie, a hairbrush, some bobby pins, and some hairspray. So I just started out, I just tried to get my ponytail as sleek as I can. I brushed it up, put it in a ponytail, brushed it up again. And then in order to get some more volume, I put another hair tie over top of the other one that I had. And then I just got some lightweight, some hairspray, brushed it up, make sure that it's nice and sleek. You gotta make sure that it's sleek. So at first I was like, oh my God, I'll put my ponytail extension in. This one's from INH Hair, it's amazing. I wear it to like every red carpet ever. It's amazing, but I felt like you'll see, I put it on and I felt more like Ari as opposed to Maddie, so I was like, you know what, screw it. I just decided to do my natural hair. I realized that her hair isn't that long, so I'm just gonna use my natural hair because it's too much. Wig actually snatched. So I did it again. We put it up, we do the hair tie, we do another hair tie trick, and then what I did is I hairsprayed it, and then what I did is I grabbed a tiny piece of hair and I wrapped it all the way around the center part to kind of make it look a little bit more seamless, and then bobby pinned it. Makeup time. Okay, now for makeup. I just used my everyday makeup routine, but I switched up a couple things. So I got some like purple eyeliner, rhinestones, some sparkly lip gloss. I'm like, oh, okay, I'm ready for this. First things first, I wanted to continue with the hair. I felt like the hair didn't look complete without like doing the little edges. I don't really do my edges very often. I actually did my research before doing this video and I found the exact makeup products that the actual makeup artist used on Maddie, but I'll like share it to you as we go on with the video. I'm gonna start off with my Baba Balm Tarte Moisturizer. You gotta start off with skin. For my primer, I got my Timeless Smoothing Primer, and it is literally a paste and it fills in all of your pores. I really like this primer. Now I'm going in with my everyday foundation. I love the Too Faced Peach Perfect Foundation. I'm using my little beauty blender, but who knows how long this beauty blender will last because Lola will probably eat it. My e.l.f. concealer. I think this is a really good dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape. It is so full coverage. I love the brush. I'm like putting on all the high points of my face, blending it in with the beauty blender, and then the NYX matte bronzer. You know what I want to know? I want to know who is doing their makeup in high school like this. Everybody's so cute in Euphoria, and like they have professional makeup artists. I'm like, Anyways, I did like the 3E for the contour, and then I contoured my nose, underneath my lips to make them look bigger, because Maddie's lips are juicy. Grab my Adelaine X Tarte palette, which smells like heaven. It smells like vanilla. That's my favorite thing about the palette. I grabbed the blush, I just put it on the high points of my cheeks, blending it up towards my temples, and whatever is left on the brush I like to put on my forehead and my chin. And then the highlight, girl, I tried my hardest. You see my face right there? I tried my hardest to not overdo it with the highlight because that's what I do. Maddie doesn't really have like the beauty guru like snatch look, like, you know what I mean? Like crazy highlight, filled in eyebrows, you know what I mean? So I tried my hardest to not do the beauty guru snatch look. Hopefully I succeeded, I don't really know. Anyways, I highlighted the inner corners of my eyes, my nose, my chin. And then as for the brows, Maddie doesn't really fill them in. I was like, oh girl, this is gonna be different for me. So I just started by brushing up with a little spoolie to get rid of any foundation in my brows. And then I grabbed my Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter, which is my favorite eyebrow setter. Girl, if you don't want your brows to move, you use that product. I forgot to show you guys, you should probably set your eyes before doing any sort of eyeliner because your eyeliner is gonna crease, it's gonna smudge. Now for the eyeliner, I'm going to be using, this is the ColourPop purple eyeliner, but what the actual makeup artist used is the MAC Cosmetics Chromaline Marine Ultra Gel. And then over top of it, she just used the Stila Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in Velvet Sapphire. So for the eyeliner, I like to start off in the middle, make my way outwards, and then finally wing the eyeliner. Since I was crying earlier, my eyes were really puffy, so I was able to do like a bigger eyeliner than I normally could, and it was like really amazing for the makeup look. The actual makeup artist, she used the Zealer rhinestones, but I just used any rhinestones that I had. I think I got these ones from Primark with some clear duo eyelash glue, which is also what the makeup artist used. I put the eyelash glue on the back of my hand, dipping the rhinestones into the eyelash glue, and then putting it on my eyelashes.
Oh my god, that took so long.
And for lashes, since I do not have eyelash extensions, since I rubbed them all off, I'm using my Ardell Wispy lashes. They're my favorite. I think they're the Ardell Demi Wispies. But Maddie actually used the House of Lashes Iconic Light, and they're just like $12. And then I just curled it with my Shiseido eyelash curler and topped it off with some Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I just kind of blended in my fake eyelashes with the real ones. What Maddie used is a Charlotte Tilbury Hot Lips Lipstick 2 In Love with Olivia. It's $37. I didn't have that on me, so I just decided to get my Remo lip liner in Epic. I thought that it was a really cute mauve color, and I think it looks good on my skin tone, on Maddie's skin tone, anyone with kind of like tannish skin tone. And then I just topped it off with some H2O gloss from Tarte. I felt like the gloss helped with the application of the glitter, which I'm about to show you. Got it on my finger and I tapped it on the lip. Finished off the look with some setting spray. It's my Urban Decay setting spray. And it says my name on it. I don't know if you can see. I am genuinely obsessed with Euphoria. I don't think it's overrated at all. I think it's totally worth the hype. Everything about it, the camera work, the lighting, the makeup, the hair, the casting, like the script, I'm like, boom! I mean, obviously if you're a lot younger and you're not, it's for mature audiences. Like people my age, I feel like you would love it. But I feel like this outro is really rushed. I hope that you guys enjoyed this look. This is what my makeup looks like, and this is what Maddie's makeup looks like. Oh, comparison. I drove 1 hour to go to this freaking fair, but it was worth it. I think the pics are now bomb. The videos are now bomb. I got to wear my outfit out. I'm like, yeah. My favorite look in the show, period. I would love to do a Jules makeup look. Let me know if you guys would want that. Like the one with the clouds, you know what I mean? Also, quick little self promo. All of my merch is 20% off on AdelaineMorin.com. Blue! Today until my music video launch, which is next week. Next Sunday, October 6th. So today until October 5th, 20% off of merch. And we're probably not gonna have a sale until like the holidays at the end of the year. Next time we have a sale. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I love doing videos like this. I like live for this. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I don't really know if I'm doing an outro or if I'm gonna do a voiceover, but make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next weekly video every Sunday. Have a beautiful, magical, wonderful day. Little sisters, bye. Also, comment down below your favorite Euphoria makeup tutorial or makeup look. I want to do them all. I collect them all. I do them all. Wow. I love this. Also, you can put a white on the inner corners of on the lower waterline, but ain't nobody got time for that. I gotta go to the fair right now. Hi, baby. I'll bring you something from the fair, okay? I love you.